Hi, Farmer Dean here, and I'm going to talk about a Christmas tradition, eggnog, right? So let's look at the eggnog. Hey, by the way, fake food alert. So the ingredients say, yeah, we got some skim milk, sugar, egg-based. In other words, egg-based, what is the hell is egg-based? And then we have egg yolks, some more sugar, carrageenan, which inflames your body. That's great stuff. Artificial flavoring, corn syrup again, and then finally we get down to cinnamon, and then we have that natural and artificial flavors. Boy, those are too good for you. You want to get your body inflamed, just drink that stuff. Let's look at another one. We have a Southern Comfort with absolutely no booze in it, and it's got high fructose corn syrup, sugar, corn syrup again, egg yolks, natural and artificial flavoring, and of course, carrageenan. All bad, inflames your body. Don't use this stuff. Make your own, and you'll be a lot happier. Become my best friend. Follow and like.